Today we're going to be talking about how to optimize your online freelancer portfolio to help you win more clients and really attract more clients by standing out. When a business is browsing for freelancers, the first thing they're going to see is your profile picture. Take a look at your profile picture and ask yourself, how could I make this better? Of course, we want this picture to be high quality, so one of my first recommendations is to get a professional photo shoot done in a studio. Something else you can do to help you stand out is to add a splash of color to your profile picture. This can be done using a filter or by actually using some lights in the studio to put a bit of your personal touch and branding onto that photo. And this can really help you stand out when there's a sea of photos that look normal, but then your one has color. Now, once the user has clicked on your profile, the next thing they're going to do is they're going to go and browse your portfolio pieces. So here are some tips to make them look as best as they can. First off, you can use a mock-up of your work. What you want to do is make your work look great in the context that it's going to be used. For example, I'm a website designer, so I put my mock-ups inside computer screens so that my clients can sort of visualize what that might look like on the web. So once you've got your mock-ups, then the next thing to do is make sure that they are in the right aspect ratio and that they're high quality. So this is really important because if you see my profile here, you can see that some of my portfolio pieces are actually being trimmed. So with that being said, it's important that you upload these images in the correct aspect ratio. First, take a screen capture of the exact area that the image takes up. Now, paste this screenshot into Figma or your design software and create an artboard that matches the aspect ratio. Now, simply position your image exactly how you like. You can put your mock-ups in there in any way you like, but just make sure that they fit inside this artboard. Then export that artboard and upload to your profile, and everything's going to fit nice and tidily inside the correct aspect ratio, and you will avoid these sort of annoying cut-offs that appear even on my own Unicorn Factory profile. If a user has liked your portfolio, they're going to want to know a little bit more about you. They're going to look at your bio section or your freelancer about section. And the ideal about section should have a title that first explains the value that you offer or your service. Well, it should tell the reader what type of businesses that you help, the specific tools that you use, the problems that you solve for clients. You can also even name drop a few clients if you feel like that's appropriate. And then you can add a little personal touch, maybe telling them about something that you enjoy doing, a hobby, anything that's just going to make them feel like it's a bit more human. The key here is to not try and be everything to everyone. Focus on a few key skills and target one type of client that you really want to be working with. A freelancer that does a really good job of this is Nikolai Bain. He clearly states that he is a Webflow developer and follows up with a list of services that his clients are likely to need. Also, you can add a link to your website portfolio down the bottom here. Nikolai does this, I also do this, and it's a great way to increase traffic to your website and show these people browsing for freelancers that you are serious about this, that you have your own portfolio under your own domain, and that's really good for increasing the trust in what you can deliver. Freelancers on the Unicorn Factory, make sure that you're only adding skills to your profile that you can complete and deliver as standalone services. For example, if you put logo design, then you need to be able to deliver a logo design project by itself. Now, my final recommendation, guys, this is really important. Have your own portfolio website. This is one of the best ways to stand out, is that you have your own portfolio website with your own branding, your own layout, your own personal touch. This is really going to be something that tells these leads that you are serious about your career. You are a professional freelancer and you have your own platform. Now, it can even have your own domain name with your personal name. And all of these things put together really skyrocket your credibility. A portfolio website can often be the tipping point that makes that client reach out and contact you. So with that being said, thanks for watching. There's going to be more tips about freelancing, portfolios, all that good stuff coming on the way. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.